contract, we've got an engineer for you. So whether you've no heating or hot water, you can count on the British Gas team to look after your work.
Irresistible. And ready in a flash.
The perfect combination of cheese, toasts and chutney.
We'll get the father in. Hello, father. You got any seed for the camera? Oh, Christ. Talk. Oh, we'll go back to Mildred.
A large pizza, potato wedges, garlic pizza bread, and twisted dough balls, all for just $14.99. And ladies and gentlemen, there's an Arctic-sized chunk of greatness. Guys like things full.